This days, we will make a classic fighting map. Let's make some new map and choose dev mode. Enter name of yours minigame. I just gonna call this my fighting map. You can also custom the size of map. But for this map I am going to set it unlimited and flat grassland. Don't forget to uncheck the monsters spawn cause it will be annoying if there is animals or monsters when building the map. Okay, now let's start. First I am going to make is the fighting arena. It will looks like this. Get into the center of map, then use terrain editor to build. I am going to select cylinder and set the radius into 13. Fill it with black stripped block. Then create the wall. I reduced the radius size bigger than before. Fill it with decoration block. After that, clear the filling center until looks like wall. Then select the walls and fill it up until like this. Okay, now it looks like this. Now I am going to decorate the arena. I am going to add some light on walls using the terrain editor. Okay, now it's done. Looks like I forgot this one. Let us just place the block using terrain editor. After we made the fighting area, I am going to make the lobby. Lobby are used to store players before and after the fight. You can also call it a preparation point. That is the fight arena. Now let's build the lobby or preparation point. Build it far from the fighting arena cause if it too close it may affect to others player when you are in battle. I created fighting arena is smaller than the lobby cause it is used only up to 2 until 4 players only, but if the lobby used until 20 players. I designed the minigame like gladiator battle, so players will divided into 2 teams, and each players have their own turn to fight. Now we are going to set up the start point. I will use variable location for the spawn point, and set up the location using trigger. Let's make a new trigger. Name the trigger as you need. Then add an event. The event is when the game is created. Then action is assign location. I am going use specified coordinates location cause it not use the tool mode location. If too many markers, it will having lag, and it is not good to play. You can also add waiting time before run the action. Adding waiting time when the game created event will reduce of the loading and minimize the crash. I also added minimals length is 0.2. After that, create new trigger. The second trigger is used as teleporter. It will teleport player from original location into target location, and the target is lobby. Don't forget to change the respawn point too. If you want to make the players not collide or stacked like tree when joined the game, you should make them moving after arrives at spawn point. Add action at the same trigger before. The action is players automatic pathfinding, and then set the location as random location of area. The area is convert location to region with 4x and 4y dimensional. Set the location as spawn point. Okay, it works. Now make player can teleport from lobby to fighting arena. At this case I am going to use trigger for manage the game. I will use door, that if player click it, then player will be teleported to fighting arena, and close the door again using trigger. First, obtain the door location. You can look it at minimap. At corners left down, you will see the coordinate of this door is 92, -8 and the height is 8. After that, create new trigger set and named it lobby. I make new trigger set cause lobby will have up to more than 5 triggers. Now creating the variable locations. Then assign the location value using trigger. I put it in trigger set game start. Trigger name is first. Then assign the value of location as the location coordinate. Variables will be more easier to use with trigger or script. It can reduces of creating new location. Okay, I assigned all the variables. Now I am going to create the teleporter. I will use door as the object teleport. The mechanism is when the player click on door, player will be teleported to the target, and the door will close again. Add condition to check if the block is door, and check if the player is near of the door. Then add action to change location of player. Add some waiting time before it, then replace the block. Okay, now, let's test it. Looks like the teleporter is works. Now copy the trigger, and name the triggers as the function name. Now I just need to adjust the location. It has become easier than creating new location again and again. Okay, now I am going to shoot projectiles. Is it will be stuck there? Looks like it will be. So I need to remove the projectile and change it into drop item. I will do it using trigger. Create new area for the projectile remove. Create new trigger. Name it remover. Add event when any projectiles enter area. Choose the area as projectile remover area. Add action waiting time. The time is 1 second. Then clear the projectile, and create one drop item, same as the item in event. Let's test it. I am going to test it with arrow as it will be walking or not. Looks like it works. Shoot, shoot, shoot. I am going to make the spectating points. The spectating points will be at second floor. I will add new door and make new variable location. Then assign the location value like the other location. If you don't understand the trigger, you can also learn about it. The point of this video is there is 2 places for making the fighting map. First is fighting area, then spawn point area, or you can replace it as lobby. And you also able to replace the fighting arena and the lobby. You can also make the battleground as starting point. If the game battle is unlimited life, you don't need add spectating points or add spectating mode. But it is not funny to be always dead in game. Try to balance the position, like what I did.